Hello guys, welcome back to Jestina's Kitchen. I hope you're all doing great out there. I want to thank you, all my viewers and subscribers, for watching my videos, and I'm really grateful. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Today's recipe is gonna be steamed fish with prawns. So it's gonna be fast, quick and easy. This recipe is very healthy, tasty, it's digestible, and for even those of you who are vegetarian, it goes perfectly well. Or if you want to lose weight, a good and healthy dish that you can use. So without wasting any time, let's start with the cooking. I'm going to cook the eggs and the potatoes, but after 10 minutes, remove the eggs and let the potato continue cooking until it's done. We have two different types of fish. And then here we have prawn. I've already peeled the prawns and then washed them very clean, take out all the guts. Likewise, the fish, I've already cleaned it very well. As you can see, I've cleaned the inside, removed all the blood in the bone there, and then the gill I've already removed. The fins you have to cut all off. As you can see, I've done that on both. So they look very nice and clean. Making lines on the fish. It's up to you. You can do it very near or you can do it a little bit far. So it's up to you. Cut the fish deep so that the seasoning would infuse into the fish easily. Cut it into two very fast and it tastes good. And make sure you don't add in too much because we're gonna add in other seasoning so that it won't be too much of salt in your food. And don't forget to add inside. That will be enough at the moment. And we're gonna press some lemon. For those of you fasting, this one is a quick recipe. Sprinkle some salt on it. And then some lemon, not too much, otherwise your prawn will turn sour. Just a bit. And then we give that a mix. I'm going to use Jestina's Kitchen all-round green seasoning, but to make it more tasty, more spicy and more delicious, we're gonna add in extra black pepper, paprika powder, chili flakes if you want it spicy, and then this one is a seafood seasoning. It's a fish seasoning, so we're gonna add this one too. I'm going to empty all that in here. Black pepper 1 teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, fish seasoning 1 teaspoon, and then we add in our Jestina's Kitchen all-round green seasoning. If you want to know how I do my Jestina's Kitchen all-round green seasoning, it's in my previous videos. There you can see the full video of how I did that. If you're now going to give this a mix. So we're now going to season. Put it aside. First, we're gonna rub it inside the head and then on top. Sea bass is a very tasty fish. It's one of my favorite fish. I like also mackerel, but mackerel is too fleshy, so I prefer sea bass instead, but it's up to you, everybody with your choice. The fish can be also grilled if you want to, but for today it's gonna be steamed fish. In between the lines, over. We're now going to put it aside. We're gonna cut our onions. We're gonna add them in the seasoning. We're gonna steam them together. Peel and chop half onion into small pieces. Very thin slices. Pepper, and then I'll create an all-purpose seasoning. Add in some white vinegar, not too much, so we don't need so much vinegar. We mix that up. We're gonna cover it tight. We grease a tray. I'm going to empty in the onions and the paprika in a pot or any container. We're gonna season it. Add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And then we mix it up. Mix these onions. Season the onions. Squeeze in some lemon. See. I'm going to sprinkle in a pinch of salt with a pinch of al-creator, and last but not the least, a pinch of garlic powder. And then we give it a mix again. I'm going to empty some of the onions on the bottom. This is to get a moist steamed fish. And here too we need some oil. Add in oil. We now mix together everything. And then we lay this prawns also on top, or somewhere in here. Guys, you're gonna see how much water, excess water we're gonna get from this. I'm gonna add in the rest of the onions and the paprika on top. We're gonna cover it with foil and empty the rest of the seasoning. We're gonna make it more juicy and thick. So we're now going to cover it. We're now going to put it in the oven. See how simple and easy it is to remove the foil. Oh my god. It smells so. Guys, as you can see, I told you that it's going to be too much of water. We're going to remove all that. Not all, guys. We need some. So let's do that. Just a little bit of water on top. So it won't be dry. Out. Fish is now done and ready to be served. This is the onion dressing that I made before. I've mixed in a little bit of parsley and oil. So we're now gonna dress the salad so the salad won't be so fresh before we decorate. I add some prawns at the side of the fish. This is gonna be yummy, yummy. It's gonna taste so good. Guys, try this recipe. It's easy, it's fast, it's tasty, it's healthy, and it doesn't take time if you don't want to waste time in your kitchen. I promise you. This is just to garnish for decoration, for it to look beautiful and attractive. It's for decoration. If you want it in, you don't need to add it in. Sprinkle some dried parsley. 1, 2. Fresh parsley goes perfectly well. Guys, seafood is the best. I can eat seafood every blessed day. Seafood is the best. You can also serve it with French bread if you want to. It's up to you. It goes perfectly well.